it's Linda. Now I'm going to make a dinner dessert. Not dinner dessert, I just made the dessert. Now I'm going to make the dinner that I was just got through making a dessert. Anyway, this dinner that I'm making, I've had people say, you know, I make a lot of chicken dishes, and some of them, they don't like chicken, or their family doesn't like chicken. And so I'm making a kind of a spin-off of my Linda's Chicken Ole, that I'm making a pepper steak ole. And so I already did a little video, or I will show you in a minute, how I chopped up all the vegetables. I'll tell you first what I used, and then I can insert the video of the chopped up vegetables before they went in here. But what I used was 4 to 5 ounces of sirloin steak. I trimmed up off all the fat, made it very, very lean, and then I sliced it into thin slices and crossover. I sliced up onion, and I sliced up bell pepper because I had that in my refrigerator. I always like to just grab what I have sometimes, quick and easy, do whatever you like. And then I mixed it with a little bit of garlic salt and 1 can of the Rotel tomatoes. I've been having it and put it all in a plastic bag, and it's been marinating for the last hour while I was cooking the other recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop it right now, and then I can insert how I chopped it all up, and then I'm going to come back and we'll finish up this recipe. Okay, here we go. Okay, I chopped up all of those vegetables. I chopped up the steak, the onions, and the bell pepper. And then I added the can of Rotel tomatoes. And like I said, I marinated it for an hour. I'm putting just a tiny bit of olive oil in here, only because I have vegetables in here that I want them to cook. This pan has been on high. I love to use my old-fashioned cast iron, but you could use any skillet you want. Ooh, that's kind of hot, so we'll see how it goes here. And okay. So this is the steak, bell peppers, and onions, and I'm going to cook this all down along with the sauce, not sauce, but the Rotel tomatoes with the green chilies in with it. And this is going to be a nice spicy Spanish dish, and that I'll make that will pour over some cauliflower rice. I love the cauliflower rice. Like I said, I keep it in the refrigerator all the time because I make a lot of stuff with it instead of using regular rice. That's my go-to because I'd rather save the points and have dessert, and it tastes really good, so why not? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it while this cooks down. I'll let you know about how long it took for me to cook it down, because this skillet is full. It is full with the, it's like 4 or 5 ounces of steak, and then half of an onion and half of a bell pepper, and then 1 can of Rotel tomatoes. So we're gonna cook it down. I'll see how long it takes. I'll be right back. Bye. Okay, it's been cooking for like 15 minutes. It was taking so long on this little top thing, because the pan was so full, and it has a lot of juice in it. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of thickening in with it. So I got 2 tablespoons of cold water, and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in the cold water. Mix it really good with a fork. And then I'm going to stir it around into some of this juice in here. This will make a little thickening kind of a gravy, but it's only 1 point. So it's like this whole, when you get a serving of this, it's only going to be like 4 points. So that's going to be including this gravy sauce, because we're going to pour this over cauliflower rice. cauliflower rice is in a steamed bag that I buy, the Green Giant kind. And it's in the microwave right now cooking while I'm doing this. And so that worked out really good. It thickened it up real good. And I'm going to put a little bit of garlic salt and a little bit pepper. And now I've made it nice and thickened up so it's not runny. Looks really good. Okay, it's all done. Everything is all finished. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spoon. This is the cauliflower rice that's been cooked in the pot. And this has been cooked in the microwave. It says for 5 to 6 minutes. I usually do it for like 5 minutes. I'm going to put 1 big spoonful. Don't mind the mess here. I'm trying to bend over a hot thing here. I'm going to put you can actually just divide this up. If there's any left over, we'll just take it for a lunch tomorrow because this cauliflower rice is 0. You can add salt and pepper and stuff to season it up. I'm going to put the pepper steak right on top of it, so that's already going to give it spices. I put a little extra salt in the pepper steak when I tasted it. It needed a little more salt, so to your liking, whatever you like. This is the pepper steak with peppers and onions. So I'm going to dish it up here. These are huge portions. You could actually feed probably 4 people with this because I've still got stuff left over here. So I think I'm going to stop right here because there's still a lot left over. So we've got this here. And then also I'm going to serve this is some beans that I bought. They're no fat, non-fat rosarita, green chili and lime, and they're really good. And so I'm going to also put those on the side. It says 0 points per serving. I need to measure it out and see how many servings it is. But even if it is, our dinner is only like 4. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of reduced fat cheddar cheese. And it's only 1 tablespoon. 1 point for 2 tablespoons. So I put a tablespoon on each one of ours. Adds only 1 point. So this is what's for dinner. And so I'm going to stop this now, and my husband and I are going to have some dinner, and I hope you enjoy this dish. Have a wonderful day. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and share if you like my recipes. Thank you so much. Bye.